upside down. Awesome. Norman is so wrong. You're scared of me, not the other way around. Oh, this must be one of those underground streams. Ah! Oh no! Help! Oh no! Help!
Oh no! Mandy's been turned into a bat!
Be quiet, Norman Price.
Sounds like she's a long way down.
Call Fireman Sam.
Mandy Flood is trapped in the caves.
Looks like we're heading back to the mountains, Sam.
Let's take Hydrus. What happened?
We just heard a scream.
Don't worry, I know these caves. Careful, Sam. This tunnel sometimes floods. It's really dangerous.
Help! Help!
Don't worry, Mandy. I'm coming down. Are you okay, Mandy? Here's some water.
Oh, thanks, Penny. I slipped, but I think I'm okay.
You're a long way down.
What do you think, Penny?
I can't carry her up. There's no room for us both to fit. We've got to find another way out. Oh, what's that noise?
What's going on down there?
I can hear Fire Captain Steele working on the handcart.
Ah! She'll be growing batty wings by now and hanging upside down. Poor Mandy Bat.
Moose, is there a map of the caves?
Yeah, right here.
These are the caves. They go into the mountain this way, and the old mines go into the mountain this way. And they get pretty close, just where Mandy is trapped. Huh.
If you're stuck, give him a shout. He'll be there to help you out. So move aside, make way for fire.